Now we have shown that we could do the summarize of the information of a table with subtotal with subtotal in data tab. And another powerful tool to do the summarize is PivotTable. PivotTable, and we can just try it here. PivotTable. We will create a new worksheet to do this. So Excel have been selected the right zone for us. So we will summarize just the selected zone, just as we could see to the end. So selected Excel have selected the right zone for us. If not, we have to select them ourselves. Including the title, title row, and then we will select all of them here. We have to select all of them just here. All of them until the title line, not the first line, until the title line, that's until the second row, just like this, and then in a new worksheet, and OK, just like that. I want to, for example, I want to summarize them with different years, sum and city, and in each of the city, and some of the, of course we will not some of the years, just delete it. And what we want, the values we want here will be the revenue here, and then we can summarize in each year and in each city how much business turnout we have made. And if we don't want that, I can even add some other criteria. For example, I want to, in each year, I want to add the semester, the dimension of semester. For example, for 2016, with all the 4 trimesters, and in each of the trimester, how much business revenue have been made, just like this. So that means we can do the analysis with several level of criteria. And if I want, I know that we have 10 agents. If I want to know this number for each one of these agents, how could we do it? Just data, no data, just which one? Just no. Where a slicer, just insert and then slicer, and I will check agent, and I will add a slicer to it. So we have 10 agent. Now when I click on each of the agent, we could know how many revenue they have been made during each trimester and in each city, just like that. It's too narrow. I want to adjust the width of the tables, but when I click on it, we find that the resized column has become as before. It's not what we want. So we can just select a cell of this pivot table and then pivot table analysis and then option. We will not check auto fit the width of the columns. So okay, and then when we resize the columns, and it will come back. It will not come back when I select the names of the agent, just like that. Of course, we cannot only summarize. We can only we can only add these revenues. We can also just count them. That means okay, sum of revenue, and then a setting, and then sum of revenue. No, we want just the count of it. We just the count of business, just how much times, so we can find that how much deals they have made, how many the number of deals they have made in each city during each trimester. Okay, just like that. Okay, for each and every one of these agents, just like that. Okay, now we can just delete it, just remove it, and just remove the parameter of a trimester. Just we can make another statistics. We can just remove it by dragging it otherwhere. So we can now just do some summarize of color and then city, just like this. Type of product and how many deals have we made here in each one of the cities, just like that. Okay, and count of revenue. If I do not want revenue, just when we count something, the revenue or other parameters we put here, they are just count how much time it appears. So it doesn't matter. What we put here. So we can do some. We can add the pivot table. Just like this. Pivot table to do some analysis like that, and of course city and classic is still the year, like this, and we can also add the revenue, just like this. This is parallelized, just like the how many deals we have made and how much revenue we have made in each and every city and during each of the 5 years. That's a simple example of pivot table.